Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about Equi Join. In last class, already told that join. Here that is a join in SQL. What are the join SQL? Different types of joins. What is the first one is a Cartesian product. Natural join, conditional join, Equi join, self join, left outer join. Outer join, different types of things. Left outer, right outer, full outer. Okay, that is a Equi Join in SQL. SQL series, that is a SQL means that is a structured query language. What is the basic structure of SQL? That is a select A1, A2, A3 dash dash AM from R1, R2, R3 dash dash RM where P. This is the basic structure of SQL. Select A1, A2, A3 dash dash AM. A1, A2, A3 are the attributes or columns. From R1, R2, R3 dash dash RM. R1, R2, R3 are the relation or tables. Each table having unique rows and columns. Where P is the predicate or condition. That is the basic structure of SQL. Okay. Here that is a SQL series. What are the set operation SQL? Okay, what are the aggregation function in SQL? What are the joins in SQL? We will discuss one by one in last class. And what is meant by join? What is meant by natural join? What is meant by join? Combining two tables is nothing but join operation, or common columns in common values is nothing but join operation. Okay, that is the combining two or more tables is nothing but join. In this class, Equi Join. What is meant by Equi Join? Equi Join is nothing but equal. Equi Join is nothing but equal operation. Observe here two tables. One table is the employee table, another table is the department table. Employee table having employee number, employee name and then address. Whereas the department table having department number, location, employee number. Okay. In employee table, employee number is a primary key. What is meant by primary key? Primary key is uniquely identified within the entity set. Okay, primary key does not allow duplicate values. Primary key does not allow null values. Here that is a 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the employee name? Employee name, address. And whereas in the department table, department number, location and then employee number. In department table, employee number references to the employee table. References. These references is nothing but foreign key. Foreign key. Okay, you need not bother about that is a foreign key, how it can works, what is the syntax for foreign key, that we will see in the further classes. Clear? Employee table and then department table. Observe the given question. Find the employee name who worked in a department having location same as their address. Find the employee name. We find what? Employee name. Who worked in a department? Who worked in a department? That is a find the employee name. We choose that is the employee table. Whereas in the who worked in a department, is the department table. That's why we choose two tables. That is a one is the employee table, second one is the department table. That is the two tables. Okay. And what is the here? Who worked in a department having location. What is observed here? Location. Department table location same as their address. Observe here 1 RAM Delhi, and whereas in the location that is a D1 Delhi. That's why here we match the emp.e number equal to department.e number, and whereas employee.address equal to department.location. That's why we can get the output RAM. That is the output is the RAM. Okay, that is the Equi Join. Equi Join here join operation as well as equal condition. I think you are familiar that join operation, common columns in common values. Okay, join operation, what is the internal operation? Internal operation is a Cartesian product operation. Okay, that's why. And what is the syntax here? Select E name. We print what? E name. Why? Because find the employee name. What is the basic structure? Select from where? That is the basic structure of SQL. That is a select E name from. We choose what is the two tables. Why? Because Find the employee name who worked in a department. That's why we choose employee table as well as a department. Employee EMP comma department. EMP comma department. What is that? These two importance, employee comma department. Internally, what is that operation? Cartesian product operation. Cartesian product operation. Observe here Cartesian product operation. First one, you write that is a employee number and then employee name, address, department number, location, E number. Observe here that is a ROM, one ROM Delhi. What is that Cartesian product? One row can be multiplied by 3 times. One ROM Delhi multiplied by D1 Delhi 1, D2 Pune 2 and then D3 Patna 4. That's why what is the first one? D1, Delhi 1. Same again, that is a one ROM Delhi multiplied by second one, that is a D2 Pune 2. Right, third one again, that is a one ROM Delhi, D3, and what is a Patna? What is that? Employee number is a 4. That is a one row in employee table multiplied by department table, that is a 3 times. That is a cross product. What is a here? M. And then here department table is a N. M by N. What is a M is a how many rows? That is a 4 rows. N is the 3 rows. That is a 4 by 3. And what is a how many tuples we get? That is a 12 tuples we can get. That is a Cartesian product. That is the first one is over. Second record. Second Varun Chandigarh multiplied by 3 times. D1 Delhi 1, D2 Pune 2, D3 Patna 4. That is a second Varun. Second Varun Chandigarh multiplied by, that is a D1 Delhi 1. Same, that is a 2 Varun Chandigarh multiplied by, that is a D2 Pune 2. Same second case, second Varun Chandigarh multiplied by, that is a D3 Patna 4. That is a second record or second row multiplied by, that is a 3 times. Okay, right. Next one, third Ravi Chandigarh. 3 Ravi Chandigarh. Same procedure, 3 Ravi Chandigarh multiplied by, that is a department 1 and then Delhi employee number 1. 3 Ravi Chandigarh, D2 Pune, employee number is 2. That is again 3 Ravi, Chandigarh, D3, Patna 4. And what is the here? That is a third row can be multiplied by 3 times. That is a 3 Ravi Chandigarh, D1 Delhi 1, D2 Pune 2, D3 Patna 4. Like that last one, that is a 4, fourth one, 4 Suman Delhi. 4 employee name Suman, address Delhi multiplied by, that is a D1 Delhi 1. Again that is a 4 Suman, Delhi department D2 and what is here? Pune, and what is the employee number 2. And then last one 4 Suman, same Delhi, and what is that? D3 Patna, 4. This is a cross product. Observe here, select E name from, what is that here? Observe here, select E name from EMP comma department. What is the query? Find the employee name. We find employee name, that's why select E name from EMP comma department. What is the internal operation? Internal operation is a cross product or Cartesian product. I think you are familiar that in last class. Already once again I will explain that is a cross product. First row can be multiplied by 3 times. Second row can be multiplied by 3 times. Third row can be multiplied by 3 times. Fourth row can be multiplied by 3 times. Here that is a 4 tuples. Here 3 tuples. 4 by 3. 4 into 3. We can get that is a 12 rows or 12 tuples. Observe the case. What is a find the employee name who worked in a department having location same as their address. Having location same as their address from where EMP dot E number is equal to a department dot E number. Okay, observe here what is a where EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number. Observe here EMP, that is a table, first 3 employee number, employee name, address as employee table, having department number and department location. Employee number is the department table. Observe here EMP dot E number 1. Here department dot E number 1, that is okay, equal. EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number. Right, 1 2 is not equal. I mean 1 4 is not equal. And then 2 1 is not equal. I mean here, observe here 2 Varun Chandigarh. I mean here T2 Pune, okay, right, equal. And then 3, what is the case? Not equal. Observe the case, that is a 2, I mean Varun Chandigarh, not equal. And the next 3 1 is not equal. I mean 3 2 is not equal. 3 4 is not equal. I mean 4 1 is not equal. 4 2 is not equal. Here 4 4 equal. Why? Because EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number. How many tuples we select? First row, I mean here second, third, only 3 rows can be selected. What is the first one is a cross product. Second one is a we apply join operation. What is my join operation? Cartesian product plus some condition. What is a Cartesian product? This is a cross product or Cartesian product. That is the 4 tuples and then here 3 tuples, 4 by 3. You can get the 3 tuples. What is the condition here? EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number. What is that here? EMP dot E number equal to 1. I mean first record. And then observe here, I mean in this record, I mean next one is second Varun. I mean last one, that is a 4 Suman Delhi D3 and Patna. What is the condition here? Select E name from EMP dot department where EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number. Here we select 4 tuples. We select that is a 3 records or 3 tuples. But what is the actual question? Having location same as their address. Same as their address where EMP dot E number equal to department number and that is a EMP dot address. EMP dot address is equal to, I mean department dot location. Department dot location. Observe here, select E name from EMP comma department. Here we apply what is that? Cross product. In this case only we apply cross product. And where EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number. Department dot E number, that is I mean we can get 3 rows. And EMP dot address equal to department dot location. EMP dot address. And observe here. And what is the condition? Where EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number and the 2 conditions must be satisfied. What is the first condition? EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number. Okay, match the values. And what is the second one? And EMP dot address equal to department dot location. What is here? Delhi. And then here also Delhi. Okay, na? Must and should satisfy. That are 2 conditions. Why? Because under operation, what is a untable? That is a 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. I mean 1 1 1. That is the 2 conditions must be satisfied. That is the first condition as well as second condition. Okay, that is the case. Observe the whereas in the here 2 Varun Chandigarh. I mean here address different address, but EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number must be satisfied. But what about address? Not satisfied or not equal. That's why one condition is satisfied, one condition is not satisfied. That is we won't get this operation. We cannot get. And then last one also EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number. 4 equal to 4. But second case EMP dot address equal to department dot location. EMP dot address Delhi. And then whereas in the department dot location, what is that? Patna. These two are not equal, but one condition satisfied, one condition is not satisfied. Suppose that you are 0, 0, 0, 1, one condition satisfied, second condition not satisfied, output is the false, false, false. That is the two conditions. What is the here? EMP dot E number equal to department dot E number, and then EMP dot address equal to Delhi, department dot address equal to, that is a Delhi, must be satisfied. We can get only one row can be selected. One row, only one row can be selected. But what is that output actual? Select E name. What is that E name? E name is the ROM. That is the output is the ROM. ROM. That is the Equi Join operation equal. Okay. What is in the join operation? Join operation combining two or more tables is nothing but join operation. Here first one is a cross product. Cross product is nothing but, that is a, observe here m tuples and then n tuples, m by n. Cross product can be denoted by a m by n. Here how many tuples? That is a 4 tuples. Second table is a 3 tuples, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. Observe here, 12 tuples is there. That is a cross product. Okay, join operation is nothing but cross product plus condition. What is here? EMP comma department, we apply cross product internally, where EMP dot E number equal to department dot D number. That is a condition, first condition. Whereas the second condition, EMP dot address equal to department dot location. Why? Because having location same as their address. Based on the query, okay, we can get the result is the ROM. This is the Equi Join operation. In next class, and what is meant by outer join, left outer, right outer, full outer. Thank you.